What's up today, my friends? So, I missed last week. I don't know if you guys missed me or not, but I didn't release a video last week. So, let me run that intro and I'll tell you why. So, last week, yeah, didn't release a video. I guess the main reason would be I didn't have one to release. And it's been a couple weeks since I've been on a bike, so I am creating one now for you, my friends. But last week was actually very beautiful. It was actually really nice to ride. Unfortunately, when it's nice is when I am in bed. I have said this before. I am a truck driver and I work nights. So when it is a beautiful day outside, I'm in bed sleeping. Yeah, it kind of sucks that way, huh? But that's kind of the way my life is. So, and I've said this before, most of my riding is commuting back and forth to work. I work, could be anywhere between 50, 60, maybe sometimes more than that, hours a week. So yeah, I could work 10, 12, 13 hours a day. It really all depends on the day. So me leaving my house in the evening is beautiful. It's, you know, 55 degrees out, sunny, and blah blah blah. And a lot of the time last week they were calling for rain overnight. And while granted, I am not a fan of riding in the rain, and if I get caught in the rain is one thing. If I know it's going to be raining, I'm not going to ride. So I chose not to ride because of that. So while you say I could have rode, but I would have been miserable on the way home. And like I said, you know, if the forecast is calling for rain at 7 o'clock in the morning, I don't even know if I'm going to be done by 7 o'clock in the morning. So that's like a problem. Oh, it's not a problem, but it kind of hinders me into when I ride, because not only do I have to worry about the day I start, I got to worry about the next day as well. And as you know, a lot of times, yeah, well, as you know, temperature drops at night, and we tend to get a lot of weather in the overnight hours. So if it's forecast, I don't ride. So that's why last week I didn't ride and I didn't create anything, because on the days it wasn't raining when I left for work, it was raining on my way home. So that's why I was absent last week. And it's been a really weird weekend for me too. Because I haven't been consuming a whole lot of YouTube. So if I normally leave a comment on your videos and you've noticed I haven't, it's most likely because I didn't get a chance to watch your guys' videos. It's just, like I said, it's been a weird week. So I apologize if I'm not caught up on your videos. Hell, I don't even know if I'll ever get caught up at this point. You know, but I'll keep on trying to watch your new stuff. I should stop in there and watch the bike, but I'm not going to. So yeah, it's just been a weird week. I'll put it that way. So anyway, I hope you're happy that I'm making another video at least. And I will see you next time. Stay safe. Love one another. Peace.